If you are using Facebook on your PC or laptop and you want to delete your Facebook page permanently or temporarily, so for that, how you will do that? Just open your Facebook account on your PC or laptop, then at the click on your profile icon. When you click on profile icon, just go to setting and privacy. Just again click on settings. When you click on settings, you can see at the left side there are many options. Scroll down. Here at the bottom you can see the option called access and control. Simply click on access and control. When you click on access and control, you can see there are two options: deactivating or deleting your account. If you want to deactivate your page, simply click on deactivate and simply click on continue. Just enter your password and your page will be deactivated. But if you want, this deactivation is temporary. But if you want to delete your page permanently and you don't want your page anymore, then simply click on delete page. Simply click on continue. Then again click on continue. Just enter your password. When you enter your password and click on continue, your Facebook page will be deleted permanently. So this is the way on your laptop or PC you can delete or temporarily deactivate your Facebook page.